everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I have to clean my brushes, you guys. Let me put a bra on. Hold on, because y'all can't be seeing these saggy ass boobs. Up on Disco Doll's video. She is such great energy. I love her channel. Look how pretty she is. I'm going to link her down below in the description box so you guys can go check her out. Go show her some love. I have to wash brushes. Like, this is not, no. Let me show you guys. Okay, so not only do I have to clean out clean my brushes, I have to clean out my vanity. Like, look at this mess. My station is atrocious. Look at this trash. Oh my goodness, wish me luck, I'm a mess. So the soap that I've been using is the Gain Ultra Original Scent Dishwashing Liquid. I find that this kind of breaks down all the foundation built up in my beauty sponges and in my brushes and stuff. So this is what I use. And then to wash them, I just use this Express Brush Cleaning Mat. I got this for $3 at TJMAXX, but I do know that they have them at like dollar stores. So if you're like me and you can't afford the expensive brand, you guys can always settle for this. These are game changers. I love this so much. I used to wash my brushes like in my hand with the soap, and ain't nobody got time for that. So let me show you guys how I wash my brushes. Throwing that pussy. She got hype. So yeah, that's how I wash my brushes. Most of my brush sets do come from the Wish app. However, I will warn you guys, it will take up to a month to receive your products. It doesn't matter what you order off of there. It takes at least a month to get here, which kind of sucks, but I have no complaints when it comes to their brush sets. They're so soft. I love them. These were like $10. It came in a pack of 10. So these beauty sponges here, which work just as well as the OG Beauty Blender that I got from my sister-in-law, and I freaking love that sponge. But again, these are very convenient if you don't want to spend $20 on one little sponge. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning my brushes.